good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Ayan, good noon sa lahat ng sulok ng mundo. Ayan ang ating pork stick for today. Yummy. Guys. Yan siya guys. Yan. Minarinate natin yan at set aside natin. Ayan siya. Yan, okay na yan. Lambot na siya. Set na natin. Yummy. Yan ang pork steak for today, guys. Yan. Yum, yum, yum. Diba? Yan siya. Yummy. Diba? Sarap. Ang aming luto for today. Pork steak. Yan, yum, yum, yum. Thank you so much, guys. Yan ang ulam namin for today. Pork chop yan. May yung steak. Yan. God bless everyone. Thank you.